Hey, I thought this would be a great learning moment. I got some incredible pink expressions and I also got some beautiful freedom roses. But the pink expressions is what I want to talk about. They look kind of rough. I got them yesterday, I soaked them, I unwrapped them. I came in this morning, they're starting to blow out. But what I wanted to show you is this roughness. Okay, so these are guard petals and this doesn't freak me out because I know I can clean this up, and that's just a part of working my product. Guard petals are a normal part of working with roses. Sometimes you just pluck off a few. Sometimes you need to pluck off more than a few, like with these. These are absolutely gorgeous. They have huge heads, but the downside to that is they have a little bit more work to do to get them like vase ready or bouquet ready. I had a few that fell apart, but probably like 3 or 4 that accounts for the 5% loss that we talk about. And once I work this product, it will be absolutely incredible. In contrast, these freedom roses came in. I did pluck off the guard petals. I still have one on this guy, but obviously this doesn't look quite as rough as the pink expressions. But if you notice, the head is smaller. So what that means is it didn't cook as long as these pink expressions did. And so part of the the upside of having one that has set on the vine is that the head will be larger, it will be fattier, it will blow out more, which is fantastic for me as a florist. The negative side is I need to work my product a little bit more than I would normally have to. How you know a rose is good or bad is there bruising throughout. So if, let's say you receive these as a DIYer, you walk in, you see these and you're like, oh my gosh, these don't look awesome. I need to let them know that I have bad flowers. What we're gonna do is look and say, is the rose throughout good? And if there's bruising throughout these roses, then I know the bunch is blown and it's not usable. But when it comes to just guard petals, that isn't a problem. That's just part of being a florist and working your product and cleaning them up. So you'll see the final outcome when I use these beauties, and they will be absolutely incredible.